Hey everybody, thanks for coming back. Boy, those last few videos, they didn't turn out too good, did they? This is all new to me, so bear with me. I don't know about the lighting and everything or how this mic's gonna pick up the sound. Not too good at talking to a video. Bear with me. Let's see if we can make this more interesting. What I'm gonna do today is I'm going to fix this bench that I'm gonna use for the A1 and the ASM light. This bench is on wheels, but even when the wheels are locked, it shakes. And from what I've seen with that bed slinger on the A1, it shakes pretty much. Now apparently it has some kind of feature in it where it adjusts to the shaking and your prints come out fine. But what I want to do, I want to try to make this more stable. I've got some different wheels that I'm going to be putting on it. And what these are, these wheels have a ratcheting system in it to adjust the level so it takes it off the wheels and it gives it a more sturdy base. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. I may have to redo this video. Anyway, like I said, I don't know nothing about video and we're just winging it, folks. Come along for the ride. So what we're gonna do is put those wheels on. We're gonna use these plywood here to enclose it. I've got some drawer pulls, but I'm gonna actually use those down at the bottom so I can pull this drawer all the way out. I'm gonna set filament in, gonna have a door on here. So when it's all said and done, this will not be an open space. It'll be a cabinet. So everything can go inside of it and be out of the elements, of the dust and stuff like that, because it gets dusty in here with the woodworking that I do. So let's get busy and cut these plywood to length and we'll see how it turns out. All right. All right, that's about 85% better. The reason I went with the leveling wheels, because this is a garage and most, if not all garages should slant a little bit towards the opening of the garage so all water and liquids can run out of the garage. So the floor is not level. So with the leveling wheels, I can adjust them to, if I move this to another spot of the garage or whatever, I can adjust it so it'll be level. It doesn't shake as much, still a little bit, but I may just have to adjust the levels. Let's get the walls on this cabinet and get it enclosed. All right, that's one side down, 3 to go. I won't bore you with the rest. We'll come back when it's all finished. Stick around. All right, everybody. I got most of it done. I got all the sides on. Started getting the drawer mounted. This table was built to hold my miter saw. It wasn't built for a cabinet. So I did the best I could with wrapping it. Ran out of lumber. Had to make the drawer a little smaller than what the opening is. So I'm going to put some shims on the sides. But may not even use this as I was going to use it for storing the filament. I had to do a lot of cutting in here today, and this shop got dusty. I usually have the door open when I'm doing some cutting, but it's cold outside today. So I think I'm going to wait till I get the measurements and look at the enclosure that I saw online and just use it. I don't even know if I'm going to mount this drawer or not. I've got to do some more building if I do, not just some shims. I got to put some braces in there to hold it. So anyway, I just don't know if that's what I'm going to do yet or not. Yeah, it got super dusty in here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do woodworking and 3D printing in here or not. I don't have a filtration system. This is just DIY, garage, something to keep me busy. I'm not a carpenter. I'm not a cabinet maker. I'm not a woodworker. I just pretend to be one. Just something I kind of enjoy tinkering around doing. Just kind of taught myself what I know, and what I taught myself is just dangerous enough to be dangerous. So anyway, that's it for this. I think we're just going to wait on the A1 to get here, and then we'll do the unboxing and maybe a first print and see how that goes. I am going to set it up here for now, get the measurements and see if that cabinet's going to fit, the one I'm looking at online. Anyway, thanks for coming by. Please subscribe. It's free. Hit that thumbs up button. I would appreciate it. It would help. And until the next video, y'all take care. Thanks for coming by.